This video will guide you on how to display alarms. If we would like to show, acknowledge, enable, or disable alarms, first we must log in with a user with enough privileges. In this example, we are using the system engineer which is already found in the example SA. If you don't want to use this user, you need to make sure you have here the right user configured with a role with enough privileges to acknowledge, disable and enable your alarms. Now we can go to the runtime client. In the client, the first icon we will find is the active alarms. In the active alarm page, we can see every active alarm and we can filter it by equipment.
Continue with the full technical tutorial at ctiresources.com.my/knowledge-base.